welcome to our YouTube channel Incredible Maths. In this video we will solve a problem asked in CSER NET February 2022 in part B related to numerical methods. So here we are given the initial value problem, that is first order initial value problem, y dash equal to y minus t square plus 1 in the range 0 to 2 and the initial condition y of 0 equal to 0.5. So here step size is 0.4 and we need to find the error bounds at t is equal to 0.8. So the error bound formula is given as follows. So the modulus of yi minus wi is less than or equal to mh by 2l into e power l times ti minus a minus 1. So here a is 0. So the initial point 0 and so this one is Lipschitz constant and this is bound of y double dash and h is step size, h is 0.4. So now we will find L. So L is nothing but, so this is bound of dou f by dou y, bound of dou f by dou y. So f is y minus t square plus 1. So therefore dou f by dou y equal to 1. So this implies L is equal to 1. So now we will find m. So to find m, we need to find solution. So the given differential equation is written as y dash minus y is equal to 1 minus t square. So using integrating factor, the Bernoulli's formula, so y into e power integral p dt is equal to integral q into e power integral p dt plus c. So here y into e power, so p is minus 1, so integral dt is equal to integral, so q is 1 minus t square e power minus integral dt into dt plus c. So this is y into e power minus t equal to integral 1 minus t square e power minus t dt plus c. So here we can use generalized Bernoulli's formula to find integration for this one. So this is equal to 1 minus t square, integration of this one e power minus t minus 1 minus differentiation of 1 minus t square is minus 2t, integration of this one is e power minus t minus 1, so it will become plus 1 plus differentiation of minus 2t will be minus 2, integration of e power minus t is e power minus t by minus 1 plus arbitrary constant c y into e power minus t. So now multiply this equation by e power minus t or divide this equation by e power minus t, get y is equal to minus of 1 minus t square plus 2t e power minus t, so e power minus t, so become 1 and plus 2 plus c into e power t. Now we have minus 1 plus 2 is plus 1, 1 plus t square plus 2t, so this can be written as 1 plus t square plus c e power t y. So now y of 0 equal to 0.5, so this implies 0.5 equal to 1 plus c into e power 0. So this implies c is equal to minus 0.85. So therefore y is equal to 1 plus t square minus 0.5 e power t. So now we need to find y double dash from this. So y dash equal to 2 times 1 plus t minus 0.5 e power t. Y double dash equal to 2 minus 0.5 e power t. So now we need to find bound of y double dash. So y double dash depends on t. So where t belongs to 0, 2, therefore y double dash of t, modulus of y double dash of t less than or equal to, so modulus of 2 minus 0.5 into e power 2 or, so this equal to modulus of 0.5 e power 2 minus 2. So both are same. So now we will substitute. Now yi minus wi is less than or equal to mh by 2l e power l times ti minus 0 minus 1. So this equal to m is this one, 0.5 e power 2 minus 2 divided by 2, l is 1, 2 into 1, and h is 0.4 into e power l is 1 times, and so here to find y of 0.8 minus w of 0.8. So the difference between initial exact approximation solution at t is equal to 0.8 is given. So t is equal to 0.8 minus 1. Therefore, so this we can cancel. So 0.2 into 0.5 e square minus 2 into e power 0.8 minus 1. So this is our error bound at t is equal to 0.8. So now we will check the option. So from this, option C is the correct answer. 0.2 into 0.5 e square minus 2 into e power 0.8 minus 1. So if you like the content of this video, kindly like and share with your friends. Also subscribe our channel. Thank you.